Sneezes aren't just funny, they're turbocharged. BrainyWorks, your bite-sized encyclopedia. Sponsored by Active Circuitry, effective cybersecurity solutions against modern threats. Now let's get back to learning. When you sneeze, air blasts out of your nose and mouth at over 100 miles per hour. Yep, that's faster than most cars on the highway. And it's not just speed, because each sneeze sprays thousands of tiny droplets that can fly as far as 26 feet. Basically, your body turns into a human leaf blower, designed to clear out dust or pollen in record time. So next time you let one rip, remember, you're firing off one of nature's fastest reflexes. Cover up. It's quick, powerful, and kind of gross.